What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trey with Ghost Tactical, and today we're going to go over a review and installation of the Molle Platform System tailgate. This is going to be a thing that I just added. It's going to be really, really awesome. It's Molle. It's rigid. It's metal. It's a metal frame that it's pretty easy to install. But what it does is it's going to be able to have Molle attachments. You're going to put a rifle up here or anything you want, bags, anything that has you can attach with Molle or whatever is going to go on here. But the cool thing about it is this. Once you've got it set up, not only can you attach Molle, but it folds down into a table like so, to where you could eat on here if you're camping out or whatever, do some work, use it as a workbench, whatever you might be. Use it for whatever you need it to be. But when you're ready to go, real simple. Put these tabs in. And you're done. So what I like about this is it gives you a lot of things. We can mount guns here, rifles, bags, whatever you want. Anything that you want to, it's going to hold up. It's rigid. Like I said, it's metal to where you don't have to worry about. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go through the installation process. So the first thing we want to do is to first get an idea of where we want to mount this. And once we have that idea, we use a leveler to make sure everything was good to go. But we went ahead and marked the holes that we're going to have to drill the screws into and all that. So go ahead and mark that first bracket. And when you get done with that, then go ahead and drill those holes. So once we got done with that, we went ahead and set the screws up on that first bracket. Didn't overly tighten them, just enough to get it done so we could set up the second bracket on the other side. Once we got the second bracket set up on the other side, once again, we use a leveler to make sure everything was good to go, but we kind of already knew where the holes were going to be. Go ahead and mark those. Go ahead and drill the hole, as you can see here. And then we went ahead and screwed in the right side bracket as well. Once we got done with screwing in the other bracket, then we went ahead and put the gate in there, and just to make sure that everything fit, our measurements were correct, and we got it all right. We went ahead and set the pins up top and went ahead and put the screws on the bottom just to hold it in place. Like I said, we're not overly tightening right now, just enough to it's gonna hold it steady so that we can now put the paracord in to set up the tailgate and how far we want it to fall. Obviously, we want it to be flat and all that, so we set the first one up, making sure it was good to go, flat is how we wanted it. Then we obviously use the paracord on the second side to get that going as well. As you can see here, it folded right back up. We set the pins up top to hold it in place, and voila, we've got ourselves a Molle tailgate. Now the great thing about this, like I said, is you can use it for bags, you can put anything in tents, you can put your firearms if you want to store your firearms like we've done here. You can utilize this steel metal Molle panel for just about anything you want. And it's easy to install and it looks great as well. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this. Go out and check out Molle Platform Solutions. MPS is where we got this from. The tailgate runs about $185, and they can customize what you have engraved on there. Obviously, they are nice enough to put Ghost and our little logo on there as well. So guys, go check out, once again, Molle Platform Solutions. All of their links will be in the description below. They've got stuff for the Hummer H3 and all sorts of Jeep products. So guys, go check them out and tell them Ghost sent you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped the installation of the tailgate, and we'll see you soon. Semper Fi.